Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw the symbol of peace while we learn Spanish. We started by drawing some beautiful flowers. Flower in Spanish is FLOR. Let's go with the last one. Now we draw the symbol of peace. Symbol in Spanish is said SYMBOLO. For this we make a circle. Circle in Spanish is CÍRCULO. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say peace in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use red. Red in Spanish is ROJO. Let's go with orange, which in Spanish is NARANJA. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is AMARILLO. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is VERDE. Let's go with the blue color, which in Spanish is AZUL. We use purple. That is said MORADO. Let's see if you know the answer. Peace in Spanish is paz. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.